I'm done with that piece. Now I'm going to put the last piece in. Now, one rule of thumb is, before you do anything, always apply onto the wall to see how evenly the gaps are. If the gaps is good, it's nothing like that or that or that, you know, or like one in, one out, then you get an idea of how much cement you need to apply on the wall. See, if you don't use the cement, it has become harder. Yeah? It becomes harder. So you need to apply more water so that it doesn't become rock. I think most important for you is not to mix too much water into the cement. Yeah, if it's something hidden inside it, you don't need to have a lot of sand. If it is outside, just like that one, exposed outside, you need to have more sand. If not, it will have crack lines. Now this is already too much water, but anyway, I'm going to wet the surface such that it sticks. So having a bit of water should be good enough. Let it absorb into the tile. Tiles love water. And if you have more water, it will absorb inside. If you have too less water, it will look very dry. Always wear protective glasses, otherwise the thing will fly onto your eyes. The reason I'm using this is because I can feel the rocks. If the rock is bigger than the gap, you have to push it out. Otherwise, it doesn't make the surface look even. Same process. Water so that it sticks. Yeah, done. You don't want it to be too dry. Wonderful, wonderful. This is to hold it in place, it doesn't move. As I fill up the gap, it's going to move the tiles and going to fall down. Better than the other one because the gap is very small. It doesn't need a lot of cement. Have to close up all the gaps so that the ants cannot make a mess inside it. hope this video helps you in your work to do things yourself if you're going to do something like this. Yeah, the most important part is you learn how to mix the cement and sand together. Have you ever seen a white cement before? Well, here it is. This is the white color cement. This is the same as the brown one. But the good thing about white cement is I don't have to paint it. It's just white color. You can paint, but you have to paint so many times because it's white color. The purpose of painting is to hide the gray color. So I'm going to apply this. I'm going to use this on top of all the tiles that I have so that it looks nicer. If your mixture you put in too much water, what you can do is you put in more cement to absorb all the water. This is one way of getting rid of the water. You can pour it out. This is mixing the flour. You have to spin it. Yeah. Get the dough nicely done. There you have it. It's good. It's clean. Yeah. It doesn't look white because I got some cement underneath it just now. I was mixing around with it. Okay, I'm ready to apply this onto the side of the wall. It doesn't look like white because I was using the grey cement, so it got mixed together and become this color. This is good enough, not so watery. So if it's watery, remember to put in more cement so that it absorbs the water. And don't go and throw it out. Don't pour the water away because you can't. It's all cement. Position this in an angle, yeah, so that it really looks like it's at an angle. You can apply it. I can't do it further because it's too long. Yeah, I can't do that. I can have a higher slope. A steeper slope. I can't have a steeper slope because this thing is too long. Yeah, the ground is in the way. So look at it. It looks so nice now. Yeah. Make it soft, then you won't see the lines. See the lines? If you apply softly, you won't see the lines. Ta-da!